Hello, good evening. This is Shark for Sri Lanka Equity Forum. Now we're going to look at Asia Siyaka commodities uh, in shortened form, ASI. Uh, all of us we know the company has performed very well in the recent past, uh, which we will look at it later on towards the ending part of this video. I have the chart displayed, which is the 18-month period time span, daily candlestick, okay, and I have two patterns here. One is on a harmonic price pattern. What we are seeing here is the top point here to the lowest around 220, and we are seeing a retracement. Okay, we are seeing a retracement back to 320, and on this XD date, okay, it came back again to around 250. So 250 was holding very good, okay, and started moving up to complete this harmonic price pattern. Okay, so from here to here, if you put the Fibonacci, the retracement measurement exactly 50%. Okay, this is the magic number. 50%, 61.8% are very crucial. Okay, and at this point, if you were able to do a short selling, okay, people tend to do selling at this. Since we are not able to do short selling in Colombo Stock Exchange, so let's ignore that. And what happens is that it came down to 250 and then started shooting up back again to 390. Okay, so now the pattern is complete here. Now what we are looking at here is another chart pattern, which is commonly known as a cup and handle pattern. Cup and handle patterns are always continuation patterns. Okay, so these are very bullish, okay, continuation, and these are bullish patterns. Okay, so we are seeing an uptrend here. Okay, they form in uptrends. Okay, so its prior trend is a bullish trend, and we are seeing here completing the top part of the cup here. Okay, and then the handle is in forming here. Okay, so the price is around 340. Okay, 330, it's the buying opportunity. And if you are a technical investor, okay, the market sentiment is very good, which is bullish. ASI is almost at the doorstep of 7,000. Okay, and you buy around 330, 340. Okay, have a stop loss below 320. Say you have a stop loss of 310. So if you buy around 340, and if you are lucky you get in 330, okay, that means you have a risk of 30 cents. You will, if the price comes to 310, you sell. Okay, but your risk would be around, let's say maximum, let's say 340, because you are able to buy at 340. So that means you have a 30 cents risk factor involved here. Now if I start measuring to be more precise here, around 370, and the base formation around 290. So we are talking about 80 cents. 80 cents from here will take you to 4 rupees and 50 cents. Okay, 4 rupees and 50 cents. 4 rupees 50 cents to this price is almost around 1 rupee and 10 cents. So basically, let's say 120. Here is the risk reward factor, the ratio. 30 cents is your risk, 120 is your reward. So it's 1 to 4, which is very good again. So very good risk reward factor. These are certain things, important things that you should take into account if you are going to do trading frequently in Colombo Stock Exchange. I will not recommend to do trading, especially for this counter, because this should be a long-term holding counter. Okay, much better than its counterpart for me personally. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you here is the MACD, which is giving a buy signal as well. So this is another confirmation. So all confirmation towards the buy side are very good. Okay, so this will be self-assuring for us when you enter into a trade, and currently trading over 200 moving average, that is another plus for us. Okay, so all the indications are there for a good appreciation from current 340 price level. Okay, now let me look at the financials. Okay, look at this share. Okay, this is the revenue. Okay, we are seeing a 19% increase compared to YOY last year, and in company, in terms of company, we have a 21% increase on the revenue on the top line. And we come towards the profit, we are seeing equivalent reflect 160% in company level growth in the bottom line, and 23% in terms of group level, okay, in the consolidation level. Now look at the basic earnings. It has to, okay, when everything goes well, earnings also should appreciate. So it was 36 cents in group level, at group level, and it has appreciated to be 44 cents in 2014. So I'm looking at the last annual financial positions. Now here again, company level 19, and it appreciated to 49. This is excellent. Already we got an interim dividend for the very first time. Last it was a one final payment, which we got about 36 cents when the share was trading around 220. That was massive. That was massive payout for us. Okay, currently if you buy around 340, you are still you would have received a dividend of around 25 cents, which is the interim. So they're a bit different this time. Okay, a lot of queries like whether they will go for a second or final dividend. We don't know. I'm assuming. Okay, I'm assuming we should see something maybe in August, failing which maybe let's assume they might announce something for Christmas or towards the end of the year. Even if we are not able to get somewhere in December, maybe we can think about, say, in April or maybe March, prior to Sinhala Hindu holidays. So we may get a final dividend. This is not known. Okay, so I think I have covered the fundamental side, also the technical side on Asia Siyaka commodities. Okay, a very good counter. I'm very bullish on this one. And to summarize once again, let me go back to the chart for those who are joining in the latter part of it. Yes, I'm giving you a buy signal, okay, around 340, 330. Okay, have a stop loss around 310. Don't blame me if the price reverses to 310. You have to exit your positions. Okay, or if the price works in our favor, okay, we are basically looking around 450, 4 rupees and 50 cents. So very good risk reward factor, 1/4. Okay, until I meet on another YouTube video, signing off for Sri Lanka Equity Forum. This is Shark.